My research from the very beginning has been focusing trying to understand really biology. So to understand biology means to understand from the very basic principles of physics and chemistry. And this is the type of thing that I have been doing since I started in science many years ago. Well, I actually was one of the founding fathers of R&D, so I have been here from the very beginning, and I have witnessed, the evolution of the R&D, how it became being just a kind of a dream, a plan for the future, a wish list, to become, in my opinion, one of the best, if not the best, research institution in Spain. It's a really unique environment, top colleagues, top students, wonderful environment for doing science. So there are many rewarding things in science. If I have to choose, I would say two. One is to know things that nobody knew before, to be the first to realize something, to know something, to understand something. And the second one, that it becomes more and more important as you become older, is to realize how you create a school. So people that pass through your lab became in top position in academia and actually make very important contributions in the field. Yes, I bring with me one of these Victorinox Swiss Army knife, and really for me it's a good model of what theory is about, what simulation is about. It's a tool that helps to do everything, citing George Gamow, it's something that allows us to study from theory, is something that allows us to study from the very small things to the stellar. And this is something that I think for me is in a smaller scale what this knife represents.